In this video, I'm going to talk about beans, pole beans, going up sunflowers. So I've set up two different grow bags to climb up these sunflowers. And this is my second patch. I'm probably going to plant it a little bit earlier next year. And speaking of timing, here is, I've got some flowers and stuff. I planted these probably about, 3 weeks ago? We are at the very beginning of September, and this grow bag has a bunch of the plants. That's why I've got that set in the middle of this section of sunflowers. And let me zoom back out. Hopefully I'm not making you dizzy. I apologize if I am. But we've got one that, if it's not 12 feet, it's probably more. For context, the bottom of the gutter is about 8 feet, so that gives you an idea of just how tall that is. Here's the other section of sunflowers there. So we've got a lot going on here in the garden. And I wanted to basically document these beans. Let me capture it from a different angle. This angle might serve us a little bit better. And I'm giving you a sneak peek at another watermelon update. I've got these watermelon here. And then I'm going to show you, let's see if we can squeeze in here. Yeah, I think this is a better angle to show you the beans. Now that I've zoomed in a little bit, you can see the bean coiling up around that. And it's not a perfect tight coil, not on that one anyway. And let's see if I can move aside here. That one's a little bit better. Yeah, I'm pretty excited, especially given just how late I've planted these. And right there, that one, it just finally popped up. I was surprised that only one of the plants popped up out of this grow bag, but that's okay. This plant is it's coiled around really nicely. And I'm thinking we're gonna have some good stuff. Let me see. Yeah, and here is another bean plant right there. And up next, I'm gonna show you what my neighbors did with corn, with their pole beans. Here's a good look at my neighbors' pole beans wrapped around their corn. They've got their stuff planted in the ground. They are more trusting of what the landlord has done over the years in the soil. Weed killer, things like that. I'm not putting that in my kid's mouth. But the concept is well executed here. This is an update with the pole beans, and I'm happy to report that we've got a bean right there. We've got several beans actually. This one, the bigger one, there's two things real quick. One, that was a pea, not actually a bean. I don't know how that seed got in there, but it did. And with the weight of this plant, instead of continuing to coil up, the weight of it made it come down. So that will be interesting to see what happens with that. But we do have a lot of buds, and there's going to be a bunch of weight. But the good news is hopefully we can catch it in the camera light or in the camera lens. All the other ones on the other grow bag, let's see if we can get that up there. Yeah, we've got flowers. They're really climbing up the sunflowers really, really well. If that's in focus, that should be a really good look at just how high that's going. That is almost 8 feet off the ground, because the bottom of the gutter is 8 feet. Pretty cool. I'm really happy to show you that we've got some green beans going here. This is awesome. I'm going to show you a few other things too. This pea that got munched on, probably by those silly finches, that's starting to go. I'm going to leave the leaf over that for protection. Now, since the last clip, we've got a little bit of climbing going on with one of the other offshoots. The interesting thing is these green beans shoot off a bunch of, per plant, there's more than just one thing that climbs up. Let's look at this one. We've got some real young green beans. Give it 3 or 4 days, those things are gonna look nice just like the other one. Got this climbing up here. I may need to help that along. Reorient that a little bit, but that's okay. And then if we look back here, we've got even more green beans climbing all the way up, 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 all the way to the top. Beautiful. So I'm shooting from a different angle now. And look at the bean climbing all the way up there. Nice big flower. If I would have started this a little bit earlier in the season, it would have been even better, but we are in, man, what, the 22nd today of September? And things are going great. We're still doing well. I'm still gonna have beans. I've got some more in there. The leaves kind of, there you go, some more beans. I'm gonna have to harvest some of these tonight. The leaves kind of get in the way, but you at least have a pretty decent idea. Got all these in here. Let me go this way. Let me zoom in there a little bit because there's some beans hanging down in there. There we go. I'm gonna have to do some picking this evening when I get home. I'm on my lunch break right now. But I had to capture this because this is the best lighting that we're getting. And there's gonna be some rain coming up. So I at least wanted to document this. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.